Hi YouTube, I'm going to do a short lesson on what I think is going on in this song called Calling. It's by Verzache. I believe I'm pronouncing that right, but please forgive me if I mispronounce that. I'm not saying that's 100% accurate. The rhythm might be slightly off, but and they're playing arpeggios mostly in the song. And then later on they play the same chord progression, but they're just playing the lower strings. So what's the chord progression? It's based on D. It starts on D. This is a part of your D bar chord. Alright, you could put, I was just playing partials. But when you do the low strings, you probably want to play the bar chord. Starts on D. Then this is part of a chord, so it kind of does that little D riff. A, C, this is part of this C, and then it goes G, C, G, and then this is E minor. It's out of this E minor chord. Okay, so alright, and you can play all variations of those chords. Okay. So that's just little, they're just playing arpeggios. So, I think when they play the low strings, they might be using these open positions. Alright, and they may be throwing in, like, this might be a D, technically, a D major 7. So they may be doing some variations of the chords. So like sometimes they may be playing a straight D, other times they may be playing a D major 7. But they're definitely the chords I just showed you. Alright, so hopefully that helps you, just a little, not a note for note tutorial, but just some guidance on how to play that song. Thanks, bye.